Everybody, it's November 5th, 2018, Monday. Going to go through some of the trades today. Not one of my best sessions, but I think I was a little bit off for various reasons. Here's the first trade I took. It was almost a 20 ticker on crude oil. Pretty decent one. Ended up with a pretty good hit there. I had a little 5-tick scalp earlier that I had gotten a little, so between that and this one, nice start for the day. Okay, then went to some NQ trades. You can see we had a nice little impulse wave down. Had one of my A second waves, assuming it was going to break here and get me down a little, and it doesn't really break through that bottom swing, and I lose 20 ticks. Okay, after a few attempts to get above this swing and a little break of this lower one, I entered an M-shaped second wave. This trade also had trouble getting through this low swing again. Kicked up, almost hits my stop. You can see it wasn't a smooth ride, but I ended up getting around a 20 tick winner. Took this one because this lower area was getting taken out with some momentum, and I had some, looked like we had a pretty good amount of gap area with no support, but it was really a god-awful trade because I got a real fast bounce and like took a 40 tick loser here and just gave back everything I had just made. So really lousy. Okay, here's another one, kind of a similar setup that I usually take. Again, lots of bouncing. I got out at break even, just felt something was off, and you can see it actually goes up the other way. Once I saw some of these areas getting taken out, I thought it would keep going up. Went in it. Again, got out at break even. Okay, after those trades that were basically stop outs at break even, I stayed out a little bit. We had another news event coming out at 10, the ISM Manufacturing, and you can see the price action goes into this little choppy, consolidated mode. So you always have to ask yourself, what mode is the market in at this immediate moment? Because it doesn't matter what setup you have. If the market conditions are like this, you definitely don't want to go in. All right, I'm going to show this one in real time. This is after the news came out. We had made this small impulse move down, and you can see here in a second that price really speeds up, and I take an entry based on the immediate momentum and acceleration I was seeing. Any second now, folks. There it goes.
Order filled.
Okay. You can see how price suddenly accelerated. I had a pretty good feeling we could get through this area. And this is in real time. I'm not doing anything here. And you'll see once it breaks through here, there's a lot of stops and things down here. And bang. Almost hits my 40 tick target. Starts bouncing up. I get out, so I didn't get the full profit that I wanted. And I could have hung on to that and it would have moved down more. And I re-entered, which was a terrible idea. Should not have gone in that, and this was a full stop out, putting me negative for the day. Alright, after that little pop up, we got a nice M formation, lower swing broken. I moved my stop pretty quickly to break even, wasn't interested in losing much more. This was for a 40 tick target. And you can see it gets it. Took a re-entry here after a failed retest of this area. and another push down. Didn't hang on to this one too long because of how bouncy it was today. So that was it. I didn't feel that I was really on, and the market I wasn't really able to read it as well as usual, so I decided to quit while I was ahead before I gave it all back again. That's it.